So our customers then, they are facing 5 main topics today. They are facing challenges in the electrification of their vehicles. You know, AD and ADAS have been a big topic for many years, but are not there yet. We're also facing software maintenance and update issues, over-the-air updates. We are facing traceability issues with software, but also time to market delays. Several OEMs have big delays for several years for the new models, but also a business that struggles with the aftermarket and how to make money of it. So, as our European industry is today facing a big dilemma. It's been one of the biggest players within the passenger cars. However, in the recent days, we can see on the right-hand side here, the sales of battery electric vehicles. There are new entries, and also from the Tesla side, but also on the Eastern Asia side, taking 51% of the combined market as today. OEMs in Europe have only 20% of the market. This is a big issue, of course. Then the McKinsey, the management firm, say there will be several main factors how we should gain up to the speed of the new players. We at the diagram then, we are focusing on closing the software skill gap within the automotive industry with both processes, education, and experts, and also different tools, etc. This also gives us a focus for helping our customers to reduce cost, but also accelerate speed in their development of new platforms. The main big paradigm shift in the industry is going from a decentralized electric architecture into a centralized one, which many calls the software-defined vehicles fundamental, where we go from small ECUs to bigger high-performance computing units. That will be a lot of software going on, a lot of communication, and this will increase complexity for the OEMs. Of course, the enablers are one of the big thing is upgradability. We need to upgrade the car throughout its lifetime with new features, but also new software. And this creates also a big maintenance of the software, etc. And when we create the bigger ECUs and high-performance computer, there will be a lot of players moving into this area and have to combine and have to share the same microcontrol unit, and it creates also complexity. I think the main thing we have to work with is scalability. We have to reuse our software throughout several platforms to gain cost and speed improvements. Yes, as you all know, in the aftermarket business, you have to take a car into the repair shop and you have to change the oil filter, and that's one of the biggest margin products out there for the OEMs today, oil filters. How many oil filters is in electric cars? None. So we have to find out how we should make more money, and this is a slide from Mercedes-Benz, who will implement functions over the air, which they will have a subscription on. And for an example, seat heating will be $120 every year. Main trend also, we have the vehicle cybersecurity. As we open up our cars to more connected services, we open up to more possible threats and entries to our cars, but also like physical stuff, the traditional ones, the OBD, USB, etc., but also facing new Wi-Fi, mobile, etc., where we can be attacked. And of course, the main big issue is, as we can see, or the result of all these things are delays and impacts on software-defined vehicles. We have some major OEMs whose platform is delayed, and this mainly because of the software getting more complex. So in short, we face growing complexity in the industry. We need to accelerate time to market, but we also have to care of our human resources, educate them accordingly, and also have to reduce cost by reusing software or tools, etc., to meet our new competitors.